Alright guys, in this video, I'll show you how to set up voicemail on Spectrum Landline. So, first you need to use your phone and dial *98. Okay, go ahead and follow the prompt to create a 4-digit PIN. And then when you're actually instructed, they'll ask you to record your personal greetings and customize your mailbox options, right? But if you want to set up your voicemail, you can choose whether or not to require a PIN to access your messages. So to do this, just sign in, right? Click on Manage Phone Features and check Voicemail. Choose the Settings tab right here. And next to your voicemail settings, select Edit. And then just choose the Voicemail PIN Settings tab. Now here you want to select the checkbox under the PIN Skip section and go ahead and save changes. And if you wanted to change your PIN, you just follow these same steps right here, right? And then you just need to go ahead and do this, right? So for changing the PIN, under Change My Voicemail PIN, enter your new PIN in the boxes and just save your changes. Really that easy and simple. Just dial *98, follow the instructions. So I hope this guide provided value to you. And if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.